Ready to dive into Artintech ERP? Let's get started. First things first, log in using the credentials provided. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, your central hub for accessing all the vital business insights you need. From there, the navigation panel on the left-hand side will guide you to various modules. Everything from procurement to warehouse management is just a click away.
Can you tell us a bit more detail?
Sure. 1. Dashboard. Your primary interface upon logging into the Artintech ERP system. The dashboard provides instant visual access to all modules. 2. Navigation panel. The left-hand side menu is your primary navigation tool to access the different modules and functionalities within the system. Key modules include nonconformance inspection, document control, supplier control, audit control, training management, calibration, maintenance, health and safety, procurement, warehouse management, project control, manufacturing, sales, invoice management, shipping, reports, and general setting. Navigation tips, icons and illustrations. Each module has a distinct icon and illustration for easy identification. Expandable menus. Some modules feature drop-downs, signifying submodules or detailed options. Click on these to delve deeper. 3. Quick Access Toolbar. Now, let's take a look at the Quick Access Toolbar icons at the top right corner. These are your shortcuts to essential functionalities: knowledge base, task list, notifications, language selection, and profile settings. Each icon is designed to help you get the most out of the system. For example, the knowledge base is like your personal assistant, ready to provide answers and guides whenever you're stuck. Located at the top right corner, these icons provide quick access to essential functionalities. Knowledge base icon. This grants access to Artintech ERP's comprehensive knowledge base, where you can find detailed articles, FAQs, and tutorials related to the system's features and functionalities. Task list icon enables you to view your task list and task calendar, providing a clear picture of your scheduled activities, deadlines, and priorities. Notification bell. Stay in the loop with real-time alerts related to tasks, approvals, or system notifications. Profile icon. Access your profile settings, preferences, and logout option. Tips for using top icons. For questions or clarifications about the system, refer to the knowledge base. Rich resource designed to assist users. Utilize the task list icon to stay organized and on top of your tasks and schedules. Regularly check the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on important updates or tasks. Thanks for attending this digital workshop. Don't forget to check other training material. See you soon.
Thank you.